In this video we are going to break down the top 5 drone cameras, and give you our honest opinions about the best products on the market. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. The first product we are going to cover is the durable brushless motor drone. Equipped with 2 upgraded batteries, it can provide up to 36 minutes flight time. Let your drone traveling in the sky freely. Longer service life. Brushless motor can avoid the problems that ordinary motor will burn out during long flight. The upgraded composite material increases the strength of the drone and makes it more resistant to falling or collision. All function. A68 is extremely user-friendly that comes with 1 key start, landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, speed adjustment, gesture selfie and trajectory flight functions, adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. HD adjustable camera. Equipped with a HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app. Dual cameras can give you an exciting experience of aerial scenery, and assist you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's eye perspective. Our next product comes highly recommended, the brushless motor drone with 4K adjustable FPV drone APP control equipped with a 4K 120 manually adjustable lens and a 110 wide-angle lens. The drone provides a broader shooting range and a breathtaking field of view. Multiple functions to fit your needs. These include high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3 speed gears, gesture control, headless mode, 1 key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, 360 flip, achieved by pressing the right joystick down and selecting the desired direction, low battery warning, and emergency stop. Wade from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Is what it is." Junel from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "Loved the colors, good quality and would buy again." Kirk from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "This item is very well made and looks really good. Sturdy." Next up we have the Fairytelf B12 GPS drones. Capable of shooting 4K images, 40963072p, 2K video, 19201080, 25 FPS. No FAA registration required. The drone weighs less than 250 g and does not require FAA or remote ID registration. The foldable fuselage design makes it easy to store. Come with a carry-in case. 50 minutes flight time, maximum flight time of 25 minutes on a single battery, 2 in total, with charge-loaded protection. The drone supports 5 GHz FPV transmission with up to 1,640 feet RC Wi-Fi range. Brushless motor, B12 with a 1503 brushless motor, wind resistance class 4, motor more durable, and less flight noise. Smooth and stable video can be ensured at high speed or outdoor conditions. Jovan from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "For the money, pretty easy to set up and works pretty well." For our next item, let's take a look at the Idea 16P brushless motor drone. 45 electric remote control UHD camera. The Idea 16 2023 drone is equipped with camera 2K ultra high definition camera, which provides you with high definition images. Brushless motors for levels wind resistance. Brushless motors provide strong power for the drone to achieve high speed and stable flight, and the 4-level wind resistance level allows you to easily navigate on the beach or in windy areas. Maximum flying speed, 40 km/h. Their high speed creates a level for wind resistant condition for the drone, so you can take your drone anywhere to explore the world. Ted from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Haven't used yet but will soon." Cindy from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "You pay a lot for it, you should get a better case for it." To round out the video, our final product is the Simrex X700 drone with Through the APP control and Wi-Fi real-time transmission function, you can watch your pictures on your phone in real time and record your wonderful moments. Optical flow positioning. Optical flow positioning sensor assists in improving flight performance by continuously monitoring ground movement. Helps the drone maintain stability and hover accurately. Altitude hold. Elevate your flying experience with our RC drone, featuring an advanced altitude hold function that ensures stable hovering by automatically controlling the throttle. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly adjusting the drone's altitude and enjoy the freedom to capture stunning aerial footage effortlessly. Multifunctional drone. Our drone not only has the characteristics of 3-speed adjustment mode, headless mode, gesture control, 1-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, 3D flip, points of interest and trajectory flight, but also has the functions of low battery warning and emergency stop, which can help you get started more quickly and safely, and is very friendly to beginners and easy to control, and is very suitable for children and adults. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 drone cameras. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.